So the fifth step in our Pong game is that we want the ball to bounce off of the paddle when it collides with the paddle. And so we're going to click on ball, and then we would use edge reached for an edge, but this is an object, so instead we're going to use collided with. And so now we'll use this statement, and if the object the ball collided with was the paddle, then we want it to bounce. And so to write that out, we have to use an if-then statement, which is this. And so now, for the if part, we want to make sure, we're going to check that the object that was collided with was the paddle. So we will click on ball first, and scroll down to ball colliding with other, and then we will set other to paddle. So we need to click on paddle, scroll all the way down to paddle. And so what this does is, if the ball is colliding with the paddle, then it will perform this. And so now we want the ball to bounce, but we can't use the regular bounce block, so because it's not an edge, and so we have to manually make the ball bounce. So we want to set the heading, which is the direction the ball is moving, like I mentioned earlier. And so we want to click on ball, scroll down to set ball heading. And now if the ball were coming in down and to the left, we want it to bounce up and to the right, or down and to the right, go up and to the left, or straight down, go back up. But like, for instance, if it were traveling 270 degrees, which is down, we want it to bounce 90 degrees back up. Or if it were traveling at 135, if it were traveling at 315 degrees, which is down to the right, we would want it to bounce and go 45 degrees. And so the math for that is that we want to set, we're going to use math. We're going to use this minus sign here. And so we want to set the ball heading to, then use math number 360 degrees, so 360, and then minus the ball's current heading. So we're going to click on ball, scroll down to ball.heading, and so this will set the heading to 360 degrees minus the ball's previous heading. And so if it were traveling at 270, which is straight down, we want it to travel at 90 degrees up, which is up. So 360 minus 270 is 90, and so that would make the ball bounce right back up. And so this will make the ball bounce with the object. And now all of the blocks for the ball, the Pong game, have been coded. And so now your game is ready to be played.